Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, we are going to learn today English subject and a new topic, poem 5, The Rain. Okay children, and it's session 23. Okay, we'll go into the poem. See here, it's a poem 5, The Rain. It's a memory poem children. Don't forget, I'll make you to write. I'll make you to write. Two stanzas are there. So I'll make you to write. And this poem, The Rain, was written by W.H. Davis. W.H. Davis. Okay. Can you... Okay children, see. Can you see this author? He is the author of the poem The Rain. He is the author of the poem The Rain. He is an English poet. And the full name of W.H. Davis is William Henry Davis. William Henry Davis. Okay children, can you see this author? Okay. Wait, now we'll go into the poem. Okay, see. The Rain. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking rain. First, I'll explain this one. Okay, children? See, I hear leaves drinking rain. Can you see the leaves and the trees are drinking rain? Yes, all need water, isn't it? So, when the rain falls, first the raindrops will fall on the leaves only, isn't it children? Drop by drop it will be falling on the leaves only. And so, what will happen? Only the top of the trees will be getting more rain than the leaves that are in the lower. Understood children? Only that the leaves on the top will get more rain. So, only they are giving the poor beneath. Poor beneath means, see here, what's the meaning of poor beneath? The leaves growing lower on the tree which do not get enough sunlight or rain. Okay children, see, when we are tired and we want shade means what we'll go under the tree. So when we go under the tree, can we feel the sunlight children? No, we can't find the sunlight. Only the top of the tree, the leaves will get sunlight. And if rain is raining, means rain first the top of the leaves only will get. Then only it will be the lower, with the leaves which are lower, they will be getting less sunlight, less rain drops. Okay children, for that only the author has mentioned here. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves. Rich means what? At the top of the leaves. On top, giving the poor beneath. They are giving less water, drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. See, when the raindrops fall means the sound will be nice, isn't it children? Have you experienced, I don't know, if nowadays rain is raining, you can go and you can observe the sound of the raindrops. When it falls, you can hear, it will be a sweet noise. It will be very sweet. All will be very happy to go out and see the rainfall, isn't it? You go and see, it will be very sweet to hear. Okay children, that one only they have the first stanza is giving. The second one, when we come to the second one, and when the sun comes out after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. See, after the rainfall, see, today and all we are having heavy sun, isn't it children? See, after the rain is over, as light will come, that is sunlight will come out. It will come out after the rain shall stop. That one, when the sun comes means, see, it will be nice. So it will be very cold when the rain comes. When slight sunlight comes means what will be? A wondrous light will fill each dark means what? When the rain comes, all the place will be little dark. It will be cloudy, so it will be very dark, isn't it children? So when the sunlight comes, the sun will fill all the darkness, isn't it? So, and I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. When we see the sunlight after the sun, it will be very lovely to see. It will be very lovely to see. Okay children, that is the meaning of this stanza. First stanza about the rain that leaves the rain. Second one about the sun. Okay children. Now once again I will read. You have to, what you have to do? You have to write one time and you have to send to me in WhatsApp. Okay children, this is the homework. I'll read it again. You also keep your finger there so that you can know know the words. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear these leaves, these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop. A wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sweet. It will, that one only short form they have given. Okay children, it will, that one only T, they have, see, comma they have written like this. You have to write as it is like this. While writing in exam children, many of them are writing like a paragraph. No, if you write like a paragraph, I will not give mark. I have given for them and all 3 or 4 marks only I have given. You have to write a poem means as it is in the book only, the lines how they have given, like this only they have to write wherever comma, see wherever apostrophe comma, inverted commas and whatever full stop, wherever full stop, that and all you have to point out neatly, then only I can give mark. As it is, see, and when sun comes out means here you have to stop. You should not write after this rain star, you should not continue. If you write like that, I am not going to give mark, I will strike it out. Many children have written as a paragraph. You have to write as a stanza. First stanza and then this is second stanza. If you write about like a paragraph, I will strike it out. Okay children, you have to write as it is in the book. Okay, now we'll see the book exercise. See here. You have to tick the correct answer. You have to tick the correct answer. By the rich leaves on top, the poet means. See, by the rich leaves on top, the poet means. This line means what? The leaves on the top are golden. There are more leaves on top than below. The leaves on the top get more rain than the ones below. What will come, children? The third one will come. C will come. Okay, children. The sweet noise that the poet hears is. The sweet noise the poet hears is what? The singing of the birds or the raindrops falling on the leaves. The movement of the leaves. What will come, children? The raindrops falling on the leaves. By each dark round drop, the poet means. What is the line? Each drop of rain falling from dark clouds, each muddy puddle formed after the rain, each drop of rain on the leaves. Each drop of rain on the leaves. The poet hopes when the rain stops, a beautiful rainbow will come out, the sun will shine brightly. He will go on a picnic with his friends. What will come, children? The poet hopes when the sun stops means what? The sun will shine brightly. Okay, children, are you thorough with this? Okay, we'll see the C1. Tick the correct words within the bracket. See, here the pronunciation is same. Can you see, children? Rose, rose. Allowed, allowed. There, there. Understood? It's like homophones, isn't it, children? What we saw in homophones, we saw the same sound but different spellings and meanings. Same sound but different spellings and meanings. Okay, children? So you have to tick the correct one. The gardener planted the daisies in neat. This rose will come or this rose will come, children? This will come, rose. Okay, children? Second one, students are not allowed to leave the school without permission. Allowed. Which spelling is correct, children? Can you guess, children? Yes, what will come? This allowed. This allowed means a different meaning, isn't it? This one. The children were delighted when their school closed for the day due to the rain. Which there will come, children? Yes, this there will come. The pirate decided to bury the treasure on a deserted island. Bury means which will come, children? This will come. Number 5. We were about to board the train when we realized that Manish was missing. Board means which board? This board is with different meaning, isn't it? Only this board will come. B-O-A-R-D, board. Pia hurt herself when she tried to move the boulder. This means what will come? This one, boulder. 7th one. Can you hear clearly? This phone line is quite bad. Which here will come, children? Can you hear means this here. H-E-A-R. Number 8. Amarjit waited for more than Amarjit waited for more than an hour. Hour means which will come? This hour or this hour will come? This one. Understood, children? We'll see the next one. Okay, children, now we'll see grammar part. A verb, we are going to see the verb. A verb is a word that shows action. A verb is a word that shows action means what? Playing, running, jumping. Understood? That is action. Okay, children. Example: choose, laugh, dances, dreamed, stamps. These are verbs only. Okay. When you add ing, it will change. Fill in the blanks with verbs. Rainfall, raindrops, fall. Raindrops, fall. Car tires. What sound can we hear, children? Screech. S-C-R-E-E-C-H. Screech. Alarm. Alarm, what will come, sir? Beeps. Okay, children. Horns. Honk. Sun. Rises. Doors. Creak. Doors. Creak. Okay, children. Raindrops fall. Car tires screech. Alarm beeps. Horns honk. Sun rises. Doors creak. Okay. Now, here what you have to do? You have to underline the verbs. You have to underline the verbs in these sentences. The peacock is dancing in the rain. What will come, children? Dancing. This is the action. So, this is dancing. What are the action you have to underline? The girls watched a movie at the mall. What will come? Watched. Action. Bijoy drove slowly through the crowded streets. What will come? Drove. Mr. Nadia and his friends meet at least once a month. What will come? Meet. Okay, these are the action. These are the verbs. These are the verbs. Okay, children. See, the next one is very easy. Notice how verbs change when ing is added to them. These are the verbs. When we add ing, what happens? We have to see. Okay, children. Sarah is dash a dress for her birthday party. Choose means when you add ing, what will happen? What will come? Choosing will come. But what you have to do? You have to take out E. You have to take out E. So what will come? CHOOSING, choosing. Understood, children? You have to take out E. And the second one, the children are dash in the park. Play is given. So what you have to write? Playing. Playing. The third one, we will be dash at the station when grandma's train arrives. Here wait is there. What you have to write? We will be waiting. We will be waiting. The bananas in that bowl are dash, rot. Rot means what you have to write? Rotting. But for rotting, what you have to write? R-O-T-T-I-N-G. Don't forget, children, you have to add one more T. You have to add one more T. Many of the words comes like that, isn't it? Rotting. Will you be dash to see the match today? Will you be going to see the match today? Going. Nice. Meeta is dash a poem. Meeta is writing a poem. Writing. Here also what you have to do? You have to take out the E. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. If you write E-I-N-G means it will be wrong. E-I-N-G means it will be wrong. Okay, children, are you thorough in this one? I'll see. Now I'll show you the antonyms and synonyms. Okay, children. Okay children, in the notebook what you have to write? You have to write the index. Don't forget to write the index, and you have to write the date 2011 20. You have to write this date and write like this, black and blue, isn't it children? I have mentioned. See new words. First one is leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. D-R-O-P, drop. Beneath, B-E-N-E-A-T-H, beneath. N-O-I-S-E, noise. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Wondrous, W-O-N-D-R-O-U-S, wondrous. D-A-R-K, dark. Shines, S-H-I-N-E-S, shines. Brightly, B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, brightly. Okay children, and only one synonyms is there. What? The poor beneath. The poor beneath means what children? The leaves growing lower on the tree which do not get enough sunlight or rain. Understood children? The poor beneath means this is the meaning. The leaves growing lower on the tree which do not get enough sunlight or rain. Okay. Now we'll see the antonyms. Write the antonyms. Poor means what? Rich. R-I-C-H, rich. Near means what? Far. F-A-R, far. Bright. Bright means what? Dull. D-U-L-L, dull. Noise. Calm. C-A-L-M, calm. Top, bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. After writing these three, what you have to write? You have to put Roman letter 4 and write memory poem, The Rain. All of them should have written in the notebook, because many of them are making mistake as I have written here. Look at the notebook children. Don't only see. I hear leaves drinking rain. I have put apostrophe comma, and then I have started I hear rich leaves on top here only. I didn't start from here. I have started. The starting all are in capital letters. Can you see children? See, giving the poor beneath. Drop after but. Drop. See here space is there. Did I write the drop here? No, I have written here. Drop after drop means it will come in the fourth line only. Like that only how to write. I will show the next page also. See. This means what? This is a sweet to hear. Is that one only short form they have given. Okay. Tis a sweet noise. See here. And these green leaves drinking near. Full stop. Wherever full stop, comma, everything you have to mention. See, like you put like this, you have to leave one line, and for the second stanza you have to leave 2 lines, and you have to start, and you have to write the author name also, W.H. Davis. Okay children, as I have written you have to write. And what homework I have given children? The poem, this one you have to write 1 time, and you have to send it to me in WhatsApp. Can you send children? Okay, you will do, I think so. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Bye. Thank you.